Are you traveling abroad for the first time? In this video, we will learn slow and clear English for 60 real-life airport situations. This step-by-step guide will help you speak English confidently and understand exactly how everything works. Let's pack and start the journey.
Are you available to take me to the airport?
Here are my flight ticket and passport for entry.
Excuse me, where can I find a luggage cart?
I need to check this bag through to my destination.
Is this an aisle seat or a window seat?
Oh, it's overweight? Can I move some items to my carry-on?
Excuse me, is there an airport buggy available for elderly passengers? Do I need to take my laptop out of the bag?
Should I take off my shoes and belt as well?
I am traveling abroad for higher studies.
Since my flight is delayed, I'll just have a croissant, please.
Excuse me, can you point me toward gate 24B? Are they calling for rows 15 to 30 now?
Here is my boarding pass for scanning.
Wow, this is it! We are finally boarding the aircraft. Good day. Which way is seat 22A? Is there any space left in this overhead bin?
Excuse me, mind if I move this jacket slightly to fit my bag?
Excuse me, I think I have the window seat in this row. Hello. It looks like we'll be flying together today.
Excuse me, how do I tighten this seatbelt?
We should really pay attention to the safety instructions. I need to switch my phone to airplane mode now.
Excuse me, it's a bit chilly. Could I get a blanket, please?
The engines are getting loud. Here we go. Wish me luck. Wow. Look at the houses. Everything looks so tiny from up here. Excuse me. Do you mind if I recline my seat a little bit?
Excuse me, miss. Could I get a glass of water, please? Excuse me?
I pressed the call bell. Could I please get a glass of water? I'll go with the chicken option and an orange juice, thank you. Excuse me, where is the nearest lavatory located?
Ah, the sign says occupied. I'll have to wait for a minute.
The seatbelt sign is back on. I think we are hitting some turbulence.
Excuse me, I'm feeling a bit airsick. Do you have a motion sickness bag?
We are about to land. I need to open my window shade now.
Touchdown! We have safely landed at our destination.
The seatbelt sign is still on. We should wait until the plane fully stops. Could you please hand me my black backpack from that bin? Thank you for the wonderful flight. Have a great day.
Now I need to follow the baggage claim signs.
The immigration counter is right ahead. Let's get in line. I am here on a tourist visa for a 2-week vacation.
Here is my return flight ticket and hotel booking confirmation.
Thank you, officer. Have a wonderful day.
Our flight's luggage is coming on baggage carousel number 5.
I hope my bags arrive soon. The belt just started moving.
There it is! The blue suitcase with the red ribbon is mine.
I only have personal belongings, nothing to declare. I finally made it outside. The arrivals area is so crowded.
Excuse me, where is the designated rideshare pickup zone?
Can I exchange some US dollars for local currency, please?
I'd like to buy a tourist SIM card with an unlimited data plan.
Is this fare based on the meter, or is it a fixed price?
Thank you for helping me put these heavy bags in the trunk.
Please take me to this hotel address. Thank you. Could you please help me with my bags to the reception? Great, here is my ID. Is the room key ready?
Thank you. Which way are the elevators located? Hello, I have a reservation under the name of John.
Finally, I'm in my room. If this guide helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Safe travel.